Hey everybody, T.O. from Urban Farm Homestead. Today we are going to look at a really short, simple way to make dill pickles. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and wash our pickles. Then I went out to the garden, or the yard I guess, and we picked up some grape leaves. Wash the grape leaves off. Next thing then we're going to do is go over and go ahead and chop up all of our cucumbers. Just put them in a bowl ready to roll. In this case, I chose not to do spheres. We just did rounds, and we didn't make them pretty and everything. I wanted these to be really, really quick. These are going on the road. After that, pull some garlic out. You want to bruise the garlic a little bit. In this case, I'm using full cloves here, and so I just bruise them just a little bit, release some of the nice oils, and then I put them in a small little cup and got them ready to go. I pulled some thinly sliced onions out of the refrigerator that I had in there from yesterday and put those out and ready to roll as well. Now we're going to go ahead and can these things up, or jar these up. In the very bottom I put a grape leaf. Then I just start layering cucumbers with onions, cucumbers with garlic, and just layer them as you move along. Don't forget to add a couple decent chunks of dill in there. And on the dill I use the ferns, the seeds, the seed heads, buds, whatever I have. I just go out to the garden and pick whatever's there. And if I don't have anything, if I'm doing this later, then I can go and grab some of the seed or dried dill that we have. Continue layering. And now we're going to add our spices. The spices that we're using here, this is first mustard seed, about a tablespoon of mustard seed, and then we will grab about a tablespoon of coriander as well. I like my pickles a little spicy, so after we add coriander, I'm just going to use a little pepper spice that I mixed up. This is skins, actually it's just dehydrated red peppers, including the seeds, various red peppers and hot peppers, and dehydrated, chopped them up, put them in a jar. Add some more dill, add some more cukes, top everything off. This is salt brine that I made for pickles. I have the exact formula in the description, and I have that sitting around so we can use it really easily. Go ahead and top it off with your brine. Then I put a grape leaf on the very, very top. I'm not using weights here because these are going to go on the road, but we just add a grape leaf on top, wipe the lid off, put the lid on, and hand tighten it. Then I usually would put that on a saucer or something. That's it. You can leave it on your countertop 7 to 12 days. It ought to be ready, and you can check it every day after about the first week. Check it for taste, and you'll see bubbles coming up there, and it might make a little bit of a mess, so that's why I put it on a saucer. After the first couple days, usually it stops bubbling over, and put the lid on it, put it in the fridge. It's good for a year or so. That's it. Thank you.